this video, I'll show you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log in to your Tonkeeper Wallet account. When you log into your account, we're going to go right over here and tap on buy or sell. Once you're on this page, first thing you're going to do is go to the top left-hand corner and tap on the flag icon. From this list, you're going to select your country or search for it in the top, the search bar. Once you found your country, tap on it. This is going to bring up a list of payment options that are available to you in your country. Different countries have different options. For example, the United States, this is what comes up for me. But if I switch to a country like Portugal, I have different options. Out of the list, pick an option that works for you. So for this example, I'm going to use MoonPay. Now you're going to log into your MoonPay account. If you don't have a MoonPay account, I'll leave it linked down below in the description. But once you're on this page, you can select the amount of Toncoin you want to purchase. You can also enter the amount manually. Tap on continue. Select your payment method such as debit or credit. And when you've confirmed everything is correct, tap on pay. Confirm the order on the next page. Once the payment goes through, your Toncoin wallet will update the amount in your wallet right here. You'll also see your Ton balance down here. And that's how to buy Ton or Toncoin in your Ton wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.